Hello, I am Dr. Nidhi Gupta, Assistant Professor in English, Government GNA PG College, Bhatapara. Today I am going to tell you about couplet, which is in the syllabus of the class BA Part 3, subject English Literature, Paper 1, Indian Writing in English. First we see what a couplet is. A couplet is a stanza of two lines in same meter. The two lines are rhymed together. The word couplet comes from the French word meaning two pieces of iron riveted or hinged together. The term couplet was first used to describe successive lines of verse in Sydney's Arcadia in 1590. The term couplet might have been derived from the word couple, which means a pair of two, as a couplet is a stanza of two lines. Here we take an example. So long as man can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this and this gives life to thee. These lines are from Shakespeare's sonnet number 18, Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? These two lines form a couplet because they follow the same meter, that is iambic pentameter. They are in the rhyme with each other, that is their rhyme scheme is AA. They have a rhythm. Now we see important characteristics of a couplet. A couplet may be an independent poem or it may be a part of a long poem. As a part of a long poem, we may take the example of Shakespearean couplet, which was used at the end of the scenes in his plays or at the end of his sonnets. A couplet makes the poem interesting and rhythmic. A couplet is a very important form of poetry as it contains a lot of meaning in few lines. A couplet may make a sense of its own and still can contribute to the larger meaning. It can be significant in developing the idea of the whole poem. Because of its brevity, rhyme, and rhythm, a couplet has a long lasting effect on readers' minds. Now we see the types of couplet on the basis of the flow of its theme. The first is closed couplet. A closed couplet is that which is independent in its meaning. It can stand apart from the rest of the poem. It is also known as formal couplet. Open couplet. An open couplet depends on the previous or the coming lines for its meaning. It is also known as run-on couplet as the meaning of the line runs on past the end of the line. There are various types of couplet. Here we discuss few of them. The main types of couplets are heroic couplet, Shakespearean couplet, split couplet, short couplet, Chinese couplet, Alexandrine couplet. First we see heroic couplet, which is the most important type of couplet. A heroic couplet is that couplet in which generally iambic pentameter is used. So before proceeding, we would see what an iambic pentameter is. An iambic is a pattern of an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. Thus, iambic pentameter means 5 feet in the line with an unstressed syllable followed by stressed syllable. A heroic couplet is generally closed. That means both lines are end stopped. There is a pause at the end of each line marked by a comma or some type of punctuation. A heroic couplet is also self-contained. Heroic couplet discusses the heroic themes. It is a traditional form which is commonly used in epic. The term heroic was applied in the second half of the 17th century, as this type of couplet was frequently used in the long heroic poetry such as epic, or in drama. Here we take an example of heroic couplet from Alexander Pope's An Essay on Criticism. True ease in writing comes from art, not chance, as those move easiest who have learned to dance. Here we take few examples of heroic couplet. Heroic couplet was first used by Chaucer, who is the father of English language and poetry. He used this type of couplet in his Legend of Goodbimon and the Canterbury Tales in the 14th century. I take an example from his Canterbury Tales. When Zephyrus eke with his sweet breath inspired hath in every heart and heat. Though heroic couplet was first used by Chaucer, it was perfected and developed by Dryden in the 17th century and Pope in the 18th century. We have few examples of heroic couplet. They are Dryden's One Happy Moment, Samuel Johnson's The Vanity of Human Wishes, Oliver Goldsmith's The Deserted Blaze, John Keats' Lamia, Pope's Rape of the Lock, and Essay on Criticism. These are few examples of heroic couplet. Now we deal with Shakespearean couplet. It is also a very important type of couplet. Shakespearean couplet is that couplet which Shakespeare used in his long speech at the end of scene in his plays to heighten the dramatic effect. I take an example from his play Merchant of Venice. Where money is and I no question make, to have it of my trust or for my sake. Shakespearean couplet was also used at the end of all his 154 sonnets. Here I take the example from his sonnet number 1. From fairest creatures we desire increase. Pity the world or else this glutton we, to eat the worst stew by the grave and thee. Then is Alexandrine couplet. Alexandrine couplet is the couplet in which the lines have iambic hexameter, that is 6 iambic feet. So they have 12 syllables. Generally, in this type of couplet, there is a caesura between the 6th and 7th syllables. This type of couplet is often used at the end of stanza. Pope used it in his works with the first line in iambic pentameter and the second in an alexandrine, that is iambic hexameter. Dryden and Spenser also used alexandrine in their works. And when alexandrine is used at the end of stanza, it is called codas. Split couplet. Split couplet is a stanza of two rhymed lines with the first line in iambic pentameter and the second in iambic dimeter. It can also have iambic monometer in the first line and iambic trimeter in the second. The weighty seas are rowed from the deeps in mighty heaps. That is the example of split couplet. Short couplet. As it is clear by name, it is short because it uses iambic tetrameter or trochaic tetrameter. Example is, into my empty head there come a cotton beach a dog wear from. Now we see what is iambic tetrameter or what is trochaic tetrameter. Iambic tetrameter means 4 feet in the line with an unstressed syllable followed by stressed syllable, while trochaic tetrameter means 4 feet in the line with a stressed syllable followed by an unstressed syllable. Chinese couplet. Chinese couplet is that couplet which follows a pattern of tones in the first line that is inverted in the second line. These couplets are read from top to bottom. Chinese couplets known as Julian are written on the two doors. The text of the Chinese couplet reflects hope for prosperity. These are the web sources. Now I would like to discuss some important questions which may be asked in the examination. First, what is couplet? Write its characteristics. Or define couplet and write the types of couplet. Or what do you understand by heroic couplet? Give an example of heroic couplet. Or what do you understand by Shakespearean couplet? Give an example of it. Or write a brief note on closed couplet and open couplet. Or write the difference between couplet and heroic couplet. So such type of questions asked and you have to write a very short note on it. Thank you.